In front of me is DOOGEE Note 56 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting an app you want to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then do exactly the same with a second one. And when you're ready, go into Background Apps. Now, tap on an icon of an app you want to use in split screen and select split screen from the pop-up. Then click on a second app and enjoy using both at once. Now, if you want to go back from this mode, there are two ways to do that. You can go back into the background and swipe it like you would any other app. Or you can hold this line in the middle and drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down. Then tap on Home button to close the remaining one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!